Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to lighten the background picture in Microsoft Word. Want to lighten a background image in Word for a subtle, professional look? I'll show you two quick methods to adjust the brightness. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to access Word, and to do that just click on Word Documents or click on Word and then select Open a New Blank Document. For example, this is the one right here. The first step now is to adjust the transparency in picture format. And to do that, just now before you do that, make sure you insert the image. Now I'm gonna insert an image, for example. And now here, go to picture format, or just click on the image and it will directly move you to the picture format options. From here, go to transparency. You can see it right here, and then select a preset transparency level or click picture transparency option to customize the transparency options. Example, you can add the transparency like this. You can choose the percentage of the transparency, etc. As you can see in this video. The second step is to use a semi-transparent shape over the image. Now let's make the picture again. And to do that, just go to Insert and then click on Shapes. And then draw a rectangle over the image, like this. And then go right click on the format shape and fill and click solid fill, and let's click on the shape format. Let's go to shape fill and you can choose from these options right here. You can click on shape effects, flexion, etc. As for the third step is to adjust contrast and picture correction, and to do that just click on the image. Let's delete this shape. Click on the image and then go to picture format and then click on corrections. Now after you click on corrections, you can choose the brightness and the contrast, or the sharpen and soften the image look. Choose from here. And you can reduce the contrast to make the image lighter. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's go to here, and let's reduce the contrast. And like this. Using a lightened background image makes text more readable and combine transparency plus contrast adjustments for the best effect. And that's how you lighten a background picture in Word. Use transparency shapes or picture corrections for better document design. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.